What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will tell you how to use cheat codes for PlayStation 4 and PS5 and Xbox Series X. Do you have any console? So I will tell you how to use cheat codes and more, earn money and weapons unlocked. So guys, first of all, pick your controller. This controller for PlayStation 5. If you want to more money and more health and more weapon, so first of all you want to use R1, R2, this button. Okay, so I will show you how to use it. So guys, R1, R2, L1X, left down, right up, left down, right up. Okay, cheat code activate.